We'd originally found an orangery company, which were very expensive, and we were wondering how we were going to finance the orangery. I still wasn't happy with the size of it, so we just did a Google search. I looked through another few websites before we actually decided that Conservatory land was just so easy to work with. Their online presence was quite clear and transparent. We found it very easy to navigate our way through the pricing, the sizes. The design process was easy, and we got to where we wanted to be very quickly. We knew that we were coming towards the end of the summer period and that the weather wasn't going to be on our side. So I think we paid our deposit the very next day. The design team were very responsive. They contacted us daily on either WhatsApp messages or on the telephone to confirm the sizing was right. We were then allocated a build team who got in contact with us extremely quickly, and I think within about 3 weeks things had started to be delivered on site. We chose the approved installer route. We knew that the cost and the pricing for the whole conservatory with the install was laid out for us very easily, so there was no hidden costs. I was very pleased to see how quickly it was put up. I think from the day that we started the groundworks to the top glass going on was within a week. I've found Conservatory land very easy to deal with. They've been great. The aftercare has been fantastic as well. We've had several phone calls and emails asking how we've found the whole start to finish build to installation. The installers have kept in contact with us, so I wouldn't have any problem in recommending them to anybody.